Hey everyone, Kachi here. Thinking aloud, how well do you know animals like the Komodo Dragon, green anaconda, African rock python, Nile crocodile, caracal, seahorse, and so on? So today, I'll be counting down to my top 20 favorite animals. So relax and watch till the end of this video. At my number 20 favorite animal is the red fox. The red fox is the largest fox in the world. It can be found across the northern hemisphere like North America, Europe and Asia. It is not really aggressive. It is an omnivore, which means it eats meat and plants like fruits, nuts and seeds. The red fox reproduces by mating together, and the females give birth to 1 to 10 kids in each litter. Red foxes live in a place called a den. And my 19th favorite animal is the gorilla. The gorilla inhabits the tropical forest of equatorial Africa. It is a calm animal except in situations where it needs to defend itself. Male gorillas are called silverbacks because the color of their backs is like silver. They are herbivorous animals. Gorillas reproduce by mating and give birth to one offspring per delivery. We share 96% of our DNA with gorillas. This means that gorillas, chimpanzees, and other primates are our distant cousins. At my 18th favorite animal is the wolf. The wolf is a large canine that can be found in North America. It has up to 42 teeth. In a litter, females can give birth to up to 4 to 6 pups. Wolves live in a group called a pack. In a pack, there is an alpha male and an alpha female. Wolves are carnivorous animals. They can be very aggressive, especially when protecting their territory or their young ones. Wolves reproduce by mating when the male mounts on the female and the female gives birth to a litter of cubs. My 17th favorite animal is the seahorse. The seahorse is a very fascinating animal. It can be found in the mangrove forest and the seagrass beds. It may seem friendly, but it is actually an extremely deadly predator. Once extremely close to its prey, it's able to launch its head, consuming the tiny copod. This strategy works an outstanding 90% of the time, making it one of the deadliest predators in the ocean. The male seahorse is actually the one that gives birth to its young one. Male seahorses are very aggressive, especially when fighting for the female's attention. Seahorses are carnivorous animals. At my 16th favorite animal is the Baltimores Dolphin. The Baltimores Dolphin can be found in the genus Tursiops. They get their name from their short, thick-like snout. They are generally gray in color. Baltimore's dolphins are known to be intelligent and charismatic stars of aquarium shows. They can be very aggressive, especially when in danger. Baltimore's dolphins are, like other mammals, reproduce by eternal fertilization and give birth to live young. They are carnivorous animals. And my 15th favorite animal is the hippo. The hippo can be found in sub-Saharan Africa. It has long canine and a huge muscular body. Hippos are threatened by poaching. Despite their size and their sharp teeth, they are actually herbivorous animals, coming out at night to feed on grass. Hippos are very aggressive animals. In fact, they are one of the most aggressive animals in the world. Hippos reproduce by mating and give birth to one calf every 2 years. At my 14th favorite animal is the orca. The orca, also known as the killer whale, can be found on all the oceans. They are extremely intelligent predators and can be recognized by their black and white patterned bodies. They have up to 50 teeth. If a killer whale loses an adult tooth, it doesn't grow back. Killer whales are not really that aggressive. They are carnivorous animals. They reproduce by mating, and a female killer whale births to calves every 3 to 5 years. And my 13th favorite animal is the blue whale. The blue whale can be found on the North Atlantic Oceans to the Greenland Sea. It is a marine mammal. It is a member of the baleen whale Parvorder mysticeti. It weighs up to 199 tons and is considered to be the largest animal to have ever existed. The blue whale is not really aggressive, except in situations where it feels threatened. It may try to defend itself by attacking what it sees as a potential threat. Blue whales are carnivorous animals, but they do not have sharp teeth for shredding, so they gulp water and swallow tiny shrimp and small fish. Blue whales reproduce by mating. A female carries one calf inside its body for almost an entire year, and the gestation period is for 11 months. Then the female gives birth. And my 12th favorite animal is the great white shark. The great white shark, or otherwise called the great white, is one of the largest sharks in the world. It can be found on the ocean surfaces of all the major countries like United States, Japan, and New Zealand. The great white shark loses up to 30,000 teeth in its lifetime, and for every tooth it loses, a new one takes its place. The great white shark is an aggressive animal. It is a carnivorous animal. It reproduces by mating and gestating its pups for an entire year before it's born. Female great whites can have up to 2 to 12 pups. And my 11th favorite animal is the caracal. The caracal is a medium-sized wild cat. It can be found in Africa, Middle East, and Central Asia. It has a long ear, long hind legs, a robust build, and long canines. The caracal is known to have strong hind legs which allow it to leap for up to 10 feet in the air and grab prey with its thick hooked claws. The caracal is not really that aggressive. It's a carnivorous animal. It reproduces by mating, and a female caracal can give birth to up to 1 to 4 kittens. And my 10th favorite animal is the Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile is the largest crocodile in Africa and the second largest in the world. It can be found in places like Egypt in the north to Central and East Africa, down to South Africa. Nile crocodiles lay their eggs on land. Determining the gender of an egg is by temperature. This means that the gender of a hatchling is not determined genetically, as it is with humans and other mammalian species, but it's actually determined in the middle third of the development period. Once the young crocs hatch, they call to their mother, who digs them out of the sand and takes them to the water. Now crocodiles are carnivorous animals. Young crocodiles are very vulnerable and have a long list of predators. Now crocodiles can be very aggressive, especially when protecting themselves or their young ones. At my 9th favorite animal is the green anaconda. The green anaconda is the largest snake in the world. It can be found in South America. The green anaconda is dark olive brown with large alternating black spots. Its eyes and nose are perched at the top of its head, allowing it to see its prey even when submerged in water. The green anaconda is an aggressive snake. It is not venomous but instead uses constriction to take down its prey by blocking air from going in. For large prey, the green anaconda can unhinge its jaw to stretch its mouth around the body. After a large meal, the green anaconda can go weeks without eating. It is said that female anacondas are larger than male anacondas and often eat males because they are good protein for an expectant mother. Female green anacondas hatch their eggs inside their body and give birth to up to 80 hatchlings. Green anacondas are carnivorous animals. At my 8th favorite animal is the African rock python. The African rock python is a constrictor snake like the anaconda. It has thick skin and is covered with colorful white blotches. It has a triangle-shaped head marked with a spear-shaped head. It can be found throughout almost the whole of sub-Saharan Africa, like Senegal East, Ethiopia, and Somalia. It is one of the largest snakes in the world. It has the ability to sneak up on unsuspecting prey. It is an aggressive snake and it is a carnivorous snake. They are known to look after their young for 2 weeks after they hatch. My 7th favorite animal is the Komodo Dragon. The Komodo Dragon is known to inhabit Indonesia's Lesser Sunda Islands. 4 of Indonesia's Lesser Sunda Islands that are within Komodo National Park are Komodo, Ringkau, Gili Montag, and Gili Desami. And the 5th is Flores. All are volcanic in origin, rugged and hilly, and have both forests, savannas, and grasslands. Komodo dragons are carnivorous animals. They have shark-like teeth and poisonous venom that can kill a human within hours of a bite. They are aggressive lizards. Female Komodos can reproduce by mating with a male or without even mating at all. They are known to look after their young ones for several months until they hatch. And my 6th favorite animal is the bald eagle. The bald eagle is a bird of prey that can be found in North America. It has been the national emblem of the United States of America since 1782. Once capturing its prey, it uses its hooked beak to tear out flesh before eating it. The bald eagle can also reach great heights when flying. It's the carnivorous animal and gets very aggressive, especially during mating season. Once the female and male bald eagle mates, they build a nest where the female is known to lay 2 clutches of eggs. The female incubates the eggs by sitting on the nest for 40 days to keep them warm. And bald eagles are known to have claws that can crush a human skull. And my 5th favorite animal is the grizzly bear. The grizzly bear is one of the largest and deadliest bears in the world. It can be found in North America. It is a carnivorous animal but eats fish called salmon. The grizzly bear can be very aggressive, especially when protecting its territory or its young ones. Grizzly bears reproduce by mating. The female gives birth to a litter of cubs. Grizzly bears have sharp teeth and claws that they use for hunting and tearing flesh. And my 4th favorite animal is the cheetah. The cheetah can be found in Africa and Central Ireland. It is the fastest land animal in the world. Cheetahs have distinctive black spots that go around the body, and they have tear-shaped stripes that go from the inner corner of each eye to the mouth. The lion helps them to reflect the sun during daytime hunting and also allows them to aim when running after their prey. The cheetah can reach speeds of up to 80 to 130 kilometers per hour. It has a large heart which allows it to circulate blood to different parts of its body. And it has a long tail which allows it to steer. Unlike other cats, the cheetah does not have retractable claws, which allows it to maintain traction with the ground. Cheetahs are not really aggressive. They are carnivorous animals. They reproduce by mating and give birth to cubs. Cheetahs can mate with more than one male. And my third favorite animal is the jaguar. The jaguar is one of the largest cats in the world and the largest in Americas, although it mostly inhabits the rainforest of the Amazon. Jaguar is a light tan cat with distinctive black markings that go across its body. Its base is a tan orange hue, while its underbelly is white. They are known to have the most bone-crushing bite of any cat in the world. Unlike some cats, jaguars love swimming, and they won't hesitate to swim. They are known for taking down game. Jaguars are aggressive animals. They are carnivores. They reproduce by mating and can give birth to up to 1 to 4 cubs. My second favorite animal is the tiger. The tiger is a big cat. It is the largest cat in the world. It has a unique skin color which allows it to blend in with its surroundings. It lives in different environments like mangrove, swamps, grasslands, and rainforests. The tiger has a large tail which allows it to balance when running after its prey. Tigers love swimming and most times even hunt while they swim. They can live up to 25 years, and a group of tigers is called an ambush or a sleek. Tigers, like most cats, are very aggressive and are carnivores, and they reproduce by mating, and the female gives birth to cubs. And my number one and my most favorite animal, you may call him the king of the jungle. Others may be calling the king of the Serengeti. It's the lion. The lion is the only social cat in the world. It can be found in Africa, in places like the Sahara Desert, and also in India. The lion lives in a group called a pride. A pride consists of 1 to 2 males and up to 5 to 15 females. Males have hair on their necks called a mane. In a pride, females do the hunting while the males stay in the shade. Lions can communicate in different ways like roaring, growling, moaning, or grunting. And a lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Lions are 6 times more sensitive to light than humans. This gives them a distinctive advantage over their prey in the night. Lions, like most cats, have retractable claws. This allows them to hunt and kill their prey. Cubs are spotted when born. Lions are aggressive, especially when protecting their territory or their young ones. They are carnivorous animals. Lions reproduce by mating. It may take a long time. Then the female gives birth to a litter of cubs. So these are my top 20 favorite animals. I hope you enjoyed them. Please remember to subscribe, like, and as well as share my video. Thank you.